you know it's been a struggle lately, but I'ma make
how
it way
it
to
sound, how it's rapping.
couple that the other couples
That's
wanna double
Eminem,
date.
man.
From the gutter to the upper echelon, I'm moving you with me doing 250 on a dash of the car with 2 C's. Yeah, I guess I do a dream rather lucid, and they do come true. I got you to prove it. We grow like 2 trees. The higher we go, the deeper the root is. The sweeter the fruit is. It's still a slow dance romance to the same good music.
They made it, brother. You made us proud, bro. Hello, Northeast people, Mizoram people. He's from Africa, your African boy Gabs Gabi. And you know, guys, nowadays I'm getting a lot of people, a lot of music suggestions from Mizoram because I've been reacting to people like Young Fela, Mary Dauki, RSA, J-Lo. I can say J-Lo Rasanga. Say RSA. Sorry for mispronunciation. And we also have Tate, guys. So yeah, we got a lot of fans who love those musicians. So we are going to discover more other musicians also because you know Mizoram and Northeast in general, they are so good in music. So today we are checking out UNI feat HRIATRENGI. So this is the music title, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, join the African family. We do vlogs and reaction for Northeast people. So make sure if you're watching from Northeast, you're at the right place. Love you all. Let's go. This is an English song, guys. So let's check it out and see how they sing, how talented, because most of their songs are in local. So I want to understand the song, so I choose to react to this English song of Mizoram Song. Let's go, brothers, tell us. Gnie.
No, it's a destination, not a silhouette. Paperback, teenager love, we got that original thing. That cotton canvas, Chuck Taylor, never gonna wear out. You and I forever, ain't a fine bone.
Oh, tell them, lady.
It's a 24-karat diamond. No, we're never ever gonna break it.
Never ever, bro.
You and I forever.
Yeah, young and susceptible to peer pressure.
Peer pressure.
I made her mind, it was for sheer pleasure. And I had my guard up, instinct off of fears. Bad luck kept my heart in a secured area. But 3 years later, still here with her, in her arms embracing her. Her charming grace stage just permeate my heart. And we be switching gears through ups and downs. We always make it work, we conciliate. Give each other space, but we never stay up.
Wow. That's a nice, that's a nice move.
With a chick who ride or die for him. I know my baby loves me.
Absolutely adore.
Finish each other's sentences like it ain't annoying and corny. It's the anniversary of 2 darts from Cupid. The meat in the two lips sync in a heartbeats moment. The truth and strings were attached. Never be loose, we're never gonna lose.
Brother,
True
killing
shit.
the song.
Improved it to this crazy, sexy, cool chick, and they lifted its boat. Everything struck a chord, and it's been a slow dance romance to the same good music.
Oh. What's happening, brothers? Don't fight. Oh shit, she just killed the man. She's fighting for him. This is the real couple we want.
Sometimes I sit and think about it. Girl, I need your love and I can't live without
Yes,
it.
give him
Yeah,
the love, guys.
the fortune, a dream about it, fiend about it. Then
Wow,
you
this
smile and
place
say
looks
the
so
things
beautiful.
that keep me grounded. Yeah, keep me grounded, but support me climbing the steepest mountains. If there ever was a key to my heart, I think you found it. Your smile is my strength, my joy,
made it.
and I'm vowing that I would stand in the rain. Take all the blame, bear all the pain, and never see you frowning. I don't know just what you see in me.
Wait a minute, guys. Are we listening to Eminem or this guy is inspired by Eminem? You know, honestly, wow, the guy sounds so good and he just sounds like Eminem. I think if you will ask him, he might be also a big fan of Eminem. But I just love everything so far, how they sound, the lady and the the director of this music video, oh my gosh, he should be a film director, definitely. Wow, let's just check more. Amazing stuff.
When the chips sit down, you stick with me.
Never leaving me.
You believe in me, even though you know it's been a struggle lately. But I'ma make
how
it
it
right
sound, how it's
the
rapping.
couple that the other couples when
That's
the double
Eminem, man.
From the gutter to the upper echelon, I'm moving you with me doing 250 on a dash of the car with 2 C's. Yeah, I guess I do a dream rather lucid, and they do come true. I got you to prove it. We grow like 2 trees. The higher we go, the deeper the root is. The sweeter the fruit is. It's still a slow dance romance to the same good music.
They made it, brother. You made us proud, bro.
Original thing, the cutting canvas, chalk tailor, never gone away.
1, 2, 3, start, dude. 1, 2, 3.
It's a 24 karat day. No, we're never ever gonna break it. You and that forever. You and that forever.
Congrats. Together forever. What amazing. This is really so beautiful music video to watch, guys. This is so romantic also. It's so romantic. So lovely, guys. Yeah, and I just understood everything. I love the lyric, guys. And the music is so quality. It's level up. So calm, guys. And so beautiful. And it's my first time also to check those people out. And believe me, both they sound so good. I don't know if they are couples, but I have that feeling like those people they are that much close. But maybe yeah, it's okay. That's a music video. Don't take it that much. We are not here to say that, but we are here to rate and to see the talent and to expose the talent. How good are the Mizo music, guys? So far, I can say Mizoram people, guys, they are so good in music, but it's so less that to find out that people, like most of them, they sing in their local language, and there is nothing wrong with that, yeah, because they are singing for the state, and I just want to say, guys, if you from next time, if you are watching this music as a musician or artist, if in case you can't sing in English, kindly provide a music English subtitle, guys. You don't know who might be watching. I'm watching from Africa, and definitely there is people watching from outside, and you might be having also big fan from other state of Northeast, we don't whom they don't understand the Mizo language. So don't limit your talent, guys. You guys really sound good, and you are so talented when it comes to music. So let it be global. Love you all. Peace from Africa. Don't forget, guys, join the African family in case you're not part now. See you next time. Soon I might come to Mizoram. Love you all. Go and watch my vlog, recent vlog in Meghalaya, Shillong. Bye.